On hot lamination or heat pressure lines, a rubber roller may look normal during a cold start. But after the line heats up and the roller stays under pressure, the rubber may soften, the nip mark may become deeper, or the surface may stop recovering properly. The key point is that heat and pressure are acting on the rubber at the same time. When the rubber becomes softer at operating temperature, it compresses more deeply in the nip. If its recovery is not stable, the indentation may remain after the pressure is released. The roller can then develop a flat area, uneven contact, or repeated marks on the material. Some rubber surfaces change in the opposite direction. After long exposure to heat, they become harder or glazed. The roller may still keep its shape, but its release performance becomes worse. This can cause sticking, pulling, gloss differences, or contact marks on films, coated materials, and other sensitive surfaces. This is why selecting only by a material's maximum temperature rating is not enough. Silicone is commonly used when heat resistance and release are important. But the compound must also handle the actual nip pressure. A soft silicone cover may release well but deform too much under continuous load. FKM is more relevant when heat is combined with oil, solvents, or aggressive chemicals. It is not automatically the right choice for every hot roller position. Increasing hardness can reduce compression, but it also makes the contact less forgiving. On thin films or coated surfaces, a harder roller may leave stronger pressure marks. Hardness also cannot fix poor heat aging resistance. A useful on-site check is to compare the roller before heating and after the line reaches normal operating temperature. Check whether the nip mark becomes deeper. Check whether the surface feels softer, harder, or tackier. Then release the pressure and see whether the indentation disappears. Also look at what happens during machine stops. If a hot rubber roller remains pressed against the mating roll, it may develop a flat spot even though it runs normally while rotating. For this type of position, the selection should balance operating temperature, continuous pressure, compression recovery, release performance, and the material touching the roller. One material name or one hardness value is not enough. If you have a similar rubber roller problem, contact Wolorin. The full guide and related links are in the description.